Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a repost from Instagram and your profile from the profile photo. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So from here, all you have to do is go to whatever post that you have reposted, or if you can't find it, then simply go to your profile section. From here, once you restart and refresh the page, you'll find this section in the middle that is both two arrows. It is the same shape as the repost button in all the posts. From here, once you click on it, you can see all the posts that you have reposted, either intentionally or by accident. And then from here, all you have to do is click on whatever post that you have done. And as you can see, your logo is right there on the bottom left. And so to remove that, all you have to do is click on the button again. And then from here, you're going to click on the delete button, which is on the right in the middle. Once you do that, it's gone. And so from here now, you don't have any reposts, and it says that no reposts are there anymore. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.